Ooh, guess who just got a package? We just got a package this week from our friends down in Florida at Spraygunner. They keep us supplied with all our goodies. Let's see what we got. Oh, we got some new paints. All right, let's see. We've got some Candy 2.0 colors to replace some old ones. We've got some silver sealer so we can get our base coats right. Got some transparent base. Ooh, what's this? I got a specialty color. Ooh, I can't wait to try these out. This will make a good combination. And of course, we got our 4011 reducer so we can keep spraying. Shout out to my guy Omar. He's the one that packed this order. Usually it's Russell, but I want to give a special shout out to you guys for always keeping us right. Let's keep painting.